guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys how to glow up in 2023. It is currently May. May is the start of spring and we all want to glow up for the summer and just for the year in general. So I just want to give you guys my life experience and how I came to glow up. So I am 22 years old. I just turned 22 and I just was reflecting on my life, like how did I become the person I am today? So I'm just gonna give you like 7 tips on how to glow up. Number 1 is the most important to me. Find your self-worth. Growing up, I feel like I always had a low self-worth. I was like, oh, I'm not worthy of being in a relationship or treated with respect or having friends or, being treated well, right? So I went through an experience with a man who I didn't have self-worth and he knew that. So he used me, and after I cut him off, basically, I completely changed my life around and the way I view myself because of this situation. Obviously, you don't have to go through like a painful situation to change your self-worth. Just start doing affirmations and working on yourself. But I had it the hard way, and I realized I need to stop letting people walk all over me, break my boundaries. And I also had just a bunch of situations where I've been into like by myself. I had to defend myself. So knowing that you're worthy of not being disrespected, being treated well, being treated with respect and such helps. It helps your confidence because you know that you have value to earth now. So like I said, you want to do things like take care of yourself and just affirm. Like if you don't know where to start to build your self-worth, just start affirming, like saying, I'm worthy of all the things I desire, I'm worthy of love, I'm worthy of money, and you'll start to feel it. It's kind of just, it's not an overnight thing. You want to build your self-worth because inside it'll give you so much confidence. You will start to be like, no, I'm not tolerating that. I am deserving of way much better. And you'll just start looking at yourself differently. And you start to not care about what people think either. I feel like when I built my self-worth, I'm more like, I don't care if this person unfollows me. I don't care if this person ghosts me. I don't care because I know I'm a boss and I don't need them because I know my worth. And obviously they don't value me, so I don't value them, period. Number 2 is visualize where you want your life to go and who do you want to be, and find the right people who inspire you. So for me, when I was like 19, 18, I started to follow people like Lori Harvey, her friends like Justine Skies and what's her name, Tiana Williams, and all of them, and Rihanna. So looking up to those people, they're very classy and quiet and mysterious, and they have that luxury girl aesthetic. Even though I did not, like, I wasn't rich, I wasn't as well put together as I am now, it helped me start somewhere. Like, I started to watch how they move, how they talk, how they act, and their mannerisms and the things they do on a daily. And now I'm at the point where that's the life that I'm living. I created vision boards. I was on Pinterest. I'm on Tumblr. Like, those things help you see what you want in life. Like, some people are on, some people want a quiet luxury life. Some people want a loud luxury life. Some people want that, BBL life or Instagram lifestyle. Like, it just depends on who you're looking up to and finding your inspiration. So say if you want to live like Cardi B and you want to be a rapper and do all of that, then look up to her and look at her lifestyle, how she acts and the things she does. For me, it's Lori Harvey, so I look up to her and like Rihanna, and I see how they move, they talk, their mannerisms, how classy they are, and I model after that. And then I look at the lifestyle things that I want, like I want a luxury apartment, I want to travel, and I look at those things and not things that are de-inspirational or uninspiring, because that stuff motivates me. It makes me feel like, okay, I have someone who's doing this stuff already, so I want to be like them, or I see this stuff that I want, so I'm going to work to achieve it. So just visualize it in your brain, seeing it over and over again, like then you work on your life towards that. Like if you want a soft girl life, you watch vloggers or girls who have a soft life and start to follow what they do. Like they do a weekly cleanup routine, or they do a maintenance routine, and just start to do that stuff and visualize it and see it and take action. Don't like not take action, but actually start to do the things that you visualize. Number 3, this is such an important part of my growth. And I think this is a really, this is an important part. Cut off negativity and blogs and everything. Cut off the shade room. Okay, I'm about to get passionate about this. Cut off the shade room. Cut off blogs. Get off of Twitter. Get off of Twitter. Get off of TikTok. Okay, sometimes I like TikTok, but get off of TikTok. Get off of YouTube blogs. Get off of Zeus Network. Get off of Krishan's life, I'm going to just tell you this. That stuff will not bring any value to you. If you love yourself, you know not to waste your time reading the comments, not to waste your time on Twitter arguing with some BTS members. You know not to spend your time watching the full seasons of Baddies West that I just completed. You know, here and there it's fine. You can do it here and there. But I used to spend all day reading blogs, reading, oh, Sweetie flopped, or Cardi B just got cheated on. And it's just like irrelevant stuff that does not add any value to your life or help you. If you're online on Instagram or Twitter reading so many comments and just responding and arguing, what are you doing with your life? Like, I noticed that even though I was young, but I'm glad I noticed it now, because there'd be 30-year-olds on freaking Shade Room. But what I just know that, like, being obsessed with these celebrity lives and like what they're doing, it just does not help you. Instead of worrying about Twitter, you should be, taking action towards your life. You're not gonna see these celebrities like Beyonce or Rihanna online consistently. You're just not gonna see that, because they're the celebrity. They're the ones that the lower people look up to. And the reason they're high is because they're not on Twitter all the time. And the reason we're low is because we're on Twitter arguing with a BTS member. So it's important to cut that out. Take social media breaks, because then you just find yourself so caught up on, oh, did this rapper fall off? Or, oh, did this actress get in a fight? And then you're just wasting your time in your life. I cut out Twitter because I feel like it constantly drains my mood. I'm constantly arguing with someone, or just like following up on things that I don't care about. Like, why should I care about Charlie Puth? Why should I care about Charlie Puth? Like, why should I care that Charlie Puth just went to Turks and Caicos? But yeah, that's forced onto you when you're on Twitter or freaking Instagram. And then you just get obsessed with their lives, and then you don't focus on your own. If you're consistently focusing on your own and how to level up, you're not worrying about other people. Plus, it can put you in a real hater mentality, because there's so much hate on the internet, especially around celebrities, or like just people rich in general. Not rich, but like people doing good in general. There's so much hate Because like I said, the people who are constantly on the internet are the ones not working on their life. So cut out that negativity. You don't need to know why Krishan and Blueface are fighting for the 10th time this week. You don't need to know that. Just get off of Instagram and make a plan for your life and value your time. Number 4 is to start taking care of your looks and yourself. So doing a weekly body care or maintenance routine. I do my eyebrows, I shave my face, I wash my face, I do a mask, I do my hair, I paint my toes, and I have a routine because that makes me feel good about myself when I take care of myself and not, walk around feeling gross. When you start to take care of yourself and really put that effort in, it makes you feel better. It's not about no one else, it's just about yourself, and it makes you feel good. In high school, I did not take care of myself. I would go with my hair unbrushed. I would wear the worst outfits that had oil stains on it. I wouldn't wear body sprays. I wouldn't just put myself together. You don't have to go with a full wig on and full face of makeup. No, but just, actually taking care of yourself will make you feel so much better. And actually putting effort into your look. I used to just rush my outfits and not even care how I looked. And that's just not it. When you look good stepping out the house, you will feel good 20 times better. Even if it's just going to Target. I started to just put myself together more. Other reason that happened that I started to take care of my looks was because of Future. I went to H. Lorenzo one day and I was like, I'm gonna actually put on contacts instead of wearing my glasses and I'm gonna look cute. And I did that. And who the heck do I see at H. Lorenzo? Future. It was the best day of my life. Okay, but that goes to show you, you may see your future husband at the store. Or you may see your enemy. And I literally saw Future and I wasn't looking dusty. So I was extremely happy in that moment that I decided to take that extra step. Did Future notice me? I was extremely scared to see him. I did not say hi to him, but he saw me because we were walking. He was coming this way, I was coming that way. But anyways, it was a shock. And that shows you that if you take care of yourself, you'll look good, you'll feel good, and you'll just start to glow up and look more attractive too. Number 5, to educate yourself. I went to FedEx today and I saw a bunch of books and I was like, I'm about to just start reading books. It really helps stimulate your brain. You'll learn so many things that you don't know. There's so much information to learn. You can learn about finances, debit tracking, and budgeting, and so many things that you just don't know. And when you learn all this information, it starts to give you ideas on how to change your life. So you may read a book about side hustles, and then this side hustle that you learn about could make you millions of dollars in the future. Or you may read a book about chasing your dreams, and this may motivate you to actually take action about your dreams. So it's always important to educate yourself. You don't have to go to college. You don't have to go to Harvard. Just educate yourself and don't be so on Google all the time. Actually learn, upgrade your vocabulary, and just watch videos on etiquette and just upgrading yourself. Number 6 is to level up financially. It took me a very, very long time to understand finances. I've never been a crazy spender. I am extremely, extremely frugal and extremely strict with my money. I don't play about my money. I lived on my own since I was 18. So I was forced to learn money no matter what. I started to budget last year in August and I've been budgeting ever since. I use Google Sheets that I got off of Etsy and I budget my money in my own particular way that I'm accustomed to every single month. I do it every single day. Every time I spend something, I put it on the tracker sheet and it'll tell me how much money I have left over, how much money I'm going to make, and it just lets me track my money. I'm more organized and it takes so much stress off of you because I feel like I have my shit together. Obviously I'm not making 6 figures yet, but I'm conditioned to know how to handle that when that time comes, and I just know how to budget my money now, which is an amazing feeling. It honestly is, because when I'm not in control of my finances and I don't know where my money is going or how much I have, it is scary. So just learn how to budget, learn how to take care of your finances, get multiple streams of income, and just level up. If you're like under the age of 25, it's okay. You don't have to be rich. If you're over the age of 25, it's okay. Just taking initiative and knowing and tracking your spending. And number 7, this is the last one, but this is about dating. I've never been in a relationship, but I think I can give a gist of what I would say. I would say have high standards and have standards with your relationship, and don't date if that person is gonna waste your time and is not up to standard. You get what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like, for me personally, I don't like to date or talk to a guy if they're not inspiring me. Like, I won't even like acknowledge you. And you have to, this is a different topic for a different day, but you have to know, like, not all male attention is real attention, and not all men who want to, you know, do things with you is a real man who will help you. If you want to do your funness and get it out of your system, I get that. I get it. But just know not to let a man like walk all over you and do you dirty on your level up journey, because it'll really set you back. It'll make you emotional and just like really lost. So make sure you get a man who inspires you to level up, because if a man is pushing you to level up, you know, relationships they're a really big part of life. So having a man who motivates you and inspires you to level up is so important. Like, don't date a bum and expect yourself to level up. It's gonna pull you back. Trust me, because when I used to like bums or want to talk to a bum, I would feel like, oh, if I'm a 6-figure, 7-figure woman and he's still doing whatever he's doing, then I'm gonna be too good for him and I shouldn't do that because it's just too much. No. You will find the right person who matches your goals and everything. And until then, do not like settle down with a man if he is not up to your standard, period. It's just that serious. It's just that simple. And that's why I'm single, because I can't be with a man who's not inspiring me to reach the next level, and I have yet to find that. So I'm just waiting and working. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because it is such an important video, and honestly, I just feel like I'm at the age where I feel like not officially, because I'm always learning and growing up, but I feel like a point where I am past the journey of transitioning from like low value to high value person. I feel like I'm more of a higher value person in my brain, more of a woman, more mature. So I just want to help you glow up, because it is possible. And trust me, it takes time. Like, it takes experiences, life experiences, and it takes time.